So today we're going to do a repaste on my m16 R2. It is fairly new, but I find the GPUs running a little on the warm side, especially when I'm playing FS22. So I already got the 6 screws out already. There's these ones. These two right here, there's a little clip on them so hold them in place, and when you undo them they pop out. And then you see the little plastic piece to rip that off, and then the back side will come out. I'll get the top off. Okay, you got the back off, and this is what the laptop looks like with the back off. So here's the heat pipes, the 2 fans. So yes, before you do any working on your laptop or any computer, you want to unhook the battery source. This one I have to unhook the battery. Now for this, you can go to Dell's site and it'll show you basically how to take this all off. So you unplug the fan. There's one here, the tab here, the side. It's right here. There's a few screws that holds it down. So yeah, I'll get this off and show you what. Okay, I got the battery unhooked and both fans unhooked. So you just got to carefully remove them out. If you go to Dell's website, actually I have it on my phone, it just shows you what you need to do to basically work on this. Anyways, your RAM's underneath here, your battery, your SSDs both go here. Actually I have another one, another heat sink for one. I haven't got another one yet, but eventually I will be putting another SSD in here. Anyways, I'll get this heat spreader up and I'll show you what's underneath that. And the heat spreader is all cleaned off. So I'll get this repasted and put it all back on. And that's Bo.